everyone, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what vitamins and what medicine that we are using to our chickens. So as you can see, I'm standing here under the trees and it's cloudy and it's a little rain. And if you hear a background noise, that is our chickens. Our chickens are right there. So at first, I'm going to show you the vitamins that we are using. Egg 1000, the reason why we are using this is because sometimes it has a lot of soft shells. So once we use this, it's only like rare, like only one soft shell every harvest. But so far, every time that we use this one, I did not see any soft shell. So second, anyway, this is good. So second, vitamins, we are using this. As you can see, that is it has anti-stress. So the reason why we use this, because sometimes the chickens will get stressed. So it's not good for them to get stressed. Either they don't lay eggs or they lay eggs, but that is the extra jumbo that it has 2 egg yolk, which is once they lay that extra jumbo eggs, extra jumbo size, they either die or they get sick or they don't lay eggs for days. So this is the reason why we use this. We use this every other day, and we put in one container, we put 1 pack. So that is anti-stress vitamins. And the third vitamins that we are using is this one, electrogen. So the reason why we are using this, it's because sometimes it's hot and sometimes it's rainy. So they keep changing. So every time that they change, it's not good. The chickens will get sick. So we use this every time that it's rain, so that they don't get sick. So we only use 3 types of vitamins. The egg 1000 for less soft shell, electrogen for changing weather, and this is anti-stress, so that the chickens won't get stressed. This one. So we only use the 3 vitamins. And now I'm going to show you guys the medicine once our chicken will get sick. 1 sec. So at first, we are using this. Can you see it? So the reason we are using this is when the hair of the chicken will stand up. When when you see the chickens, like the take, all the hair will fall off. So we are using this. Sometimes if there is no this kind of vitamins, we just buy amoxicillin in the pharmacy to put that, to put the water and give it to our chickens. So the second medicine that we are using, this is the medicine that we are giving it to them, especially when they have cough. So I'm going to share with you. One sec. So this Primoxel. So every time they have cough, and every time that like the chicken won't eat, we use this medicine. If we don't have this, either we are using ambroxetal. They are just the same, but sometimes we are using ambroxetal, and once we don't have Primoxel, we use this, and once we don't have this, we use Primoxel. So either way, it's good. So that is what we are using to our chickens, and it's not easy to to raise chickens, especially that you are first timers like us. You know, it's our first time. It's really hard. It's really hard that you need to study more because the chickens are very sensitive. If you have questions about chickens, comment down below and I will answer you guys. If you like this video, can you please give a thumbs up and subscribe and click the notification bell below for more updates. Thank you for watching. God bless.